All right, guys. So gold at all-time highs. Quite the incredible sight, honestly. All right, so let's just do a quick. I'll try to. Maybe we could say quick, but I really just want to do the analysis on gold today in particular because I feel like this is pretty amazing actually. Like the market quite literally closed at 4990 around there and opened over 5,000. Like that's incredible stuff, of course. If you are a trader, you'd understand the feeling of just actually going on, like seeing and predicting that the market was obviously going to be passing the previous highs and trading at all-time highs, but then actually seeing it trading at these levels is another feeling. But anyways, let's get down into it. Not take too long. All right, trying to get this thing to come down. All right, cool, nice. Should go down there now. All right, so we are on the H4 time frame. We are obviously very bullish. So again, we have pretty much our basic bias. We definitely bullish. We're definitely not looking for any kind of bearish opportunities today. All right, just bullish opportunities pretty much. Okay, great. So we're on the 30-minute time frame now. So to be fair, let's see what news events that we have coming up. I'm trying to stop saying as much, but anyways. So we have no news today. Great. So, okay, we're back on the charts. We have all of these high lows being formed on the 30-minute time frame. Then we add the gap here. This is where the market would have closed on Friday afternoon. Again, around the high at Friday was exactly 4990. It was supposed to buy this high here. And then the market gapped. The market didn't fill the gap, by the way. So we should look forward to that also in some form of retracement soon. And it will reopen at exactly about 5,000. Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? So again, we're just analyzing the current market structure. We have a high low that was formed here. Price did create a new high and formed another higher low. All right, so now let's go down on the smaller time frames. So because price has already extended itself, of course, there's always two possibilities. There's only really two possibilities in the market, of course. Price can either just continue to the upside based on how structure forms for the rest of the morning, or we can see if we do, of course, see a break below supports and price creating lower highs, we could see a retracement of some sort. This could potentially be to fill the gap that was created down here. If the gap isn't filled in the market immediately, it's usually filled, if not after a couple hours, between 1 to 2 days. All right, so with that knowledge, we could kind of get an opportunity pretty much of what we could be looking for. But based on what price is doing right now, I would definitely say let's just wait for price to break out of this zone. We can trade the zone, but of course that's another video if I want to go into zone trading or price range trading to discuss the system that I have in place for price ranges in specifically. But that's another video, as I said. That's a very long trading video. Right now, I would advise to just wait for price to break either to the upside. We get a retest and we take price to the upside. Or if we do happen to see a break to the downside and price wants to counter trend a little bit, we could take advantage of a retest to the bottom of the zone. So that is pretty much what we're looking for today. To be honest, I believe this is a good opportunity to do the zone trading videos. So I won't do it in this video because this was really just about preparing for gold within the next coming weeks. Again, we're just pretty much looking for buying opportunities on gold. So wherever we see higher lows forming, we just want to be able to capitalize on those entries on these smaller time frames, obviously. All right, so that's pretty much what we're looking for on gold. I'm gonna end the video here now. I feel like there's not much more going on gold, really. There's no news. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We're still consolidating. So we will see what's going on a later video. We'll more than likely get some action by then. But yeah, guys, have a good trading day. Enjoy.